Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia G50 and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi. And now on your TV, enter screen mirroring function, and on smartphone swipe down notification bar and search for screencast. Select it, go to settings, tap on three dots button and enable wireless display. Now select your TV. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.